Welcome to Sean Air. Today, I'll show you just how quickly and easily you can update your Dynon SkyView HDX database cards to the current chart cycle on your computer. Let's begin. Start by opening your web browser and searching for seattleavionics.com. If you don't have an account, create one, then purchase a subscription. Under the Product menu, scroll to find the ChartData Manager application. Next, click to download. Choose the Dynon SkyView on the device list, then select the regions for which you require chart information. Log in to the ChartData Manager app with your Seattle Avionics login credentials. Now, the ChartData Manager will begin to download all the information you selected. This initial download will take around an hour with high-speed internet. Next, visit dynon.com to download the current aviation and obstacle databases. Within the Support menu, select U.S. Aviation Obstacles. Click to download the current cycle of aviation and obstacle data. I recommend you keep this file on your desktop for the next steps. Plug in your desired USB database cards to your computer. The ChartData Manager will automatically update the cards with the current data. While in progress, feel free to manually update the aviation and obstacle data. Delete the previous aviation obstacle file off of your flash drive, then copy the new file from your desktop onto the root menu of the drive. Caution: you must locate this file in the root menu and never within any of the folders on your USB drive. Once the ChartData Manager shows all green, you may eject your cards. They are now ready for use. If you found this information helpful, like this video and consider leaving a comment. Click here to see the next video, how to update the SkyView HDX in the airplane. If you are new to the channel, stick around for a while and enjoy the aviation-related content. I'll see you in the next one.